How to redeem your Just Eat gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can redeem your Just Eat gift card. So simply make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to redeem our Just Eat gift card, first of all, you have to visit the official link of Just Eat website. That is www.just-eat.co.uk/giftcard/redeem. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, so you can just go ahead and respectively check that out if you want to. And once you do so, you have to simply select the option called redeem a gift card over here. You'll see this kind of interface, and as you do so, you have to simply enter your gift card code. And once you enter your gift card code, make sure all of the digits are correct, and now just tap on the redeem button. Once you click on the redeem button, the balance will be added to your account. Now you're all set to enjoy your Just Eat with the gift card in use. That's all it takes to redeem your Just Eat gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.